Have you been suffering from allergies inside your home, or is your house presenting odors that simply won't go away? Maybe it's time for a professional cleaning. In this video, we're going to walk you through when it makes sense to bring in a professional and when it doesn't. Here's where the confusion usually comes from. Most cleaning you do at your home, vacuuming, spot cleaning, is designed to handle what's on the surface. But over time, dirt, oils, and moisture work their way deeper into carpets, upholstery, and flooring. And it doesn't happen all at once, it builds gradually. So everything can look mostly clean day to day, while underneath the material is starting to break down. When you bring a professional cleaner, the goal isn't just to clean what you can see, it's to remove what's built up beneath the surface. We start applying treatments that breaks down embedded dirt and oils. Then we use professional equipment like hot water extraction to lift and remove the buildup from deep within the material. This process reaches areas that standard home cleaning can't. And it's designed not to improve appearance, but to actually reset the condition of the surface. This is where most people get it wrong. Professional cleaning isn't meant to replace your routine. It's meant to step in when the routine cleaning stops being effective. A good provider won't recommend it on a fixed schedule for every home. Instead, it should be based on what's actually happening, things like visible wear, lingering odors, heavy traffic, or buildup that isn't coming out of the normal cleaning. It's about timing it correctly, not just doing it automatically. When professional cleaning is done at the right time, the difference is usually noticeable. Surfaces look more even, feel cleaner, and in many cases last longer. But if it's done too early, before the real buildup, the impact may be minimal. And that's why knowing when to do it matters just as much as how it's done. If you're not sure whether it's time for a professional cleaning, just pick up the phone and call a professional for a free quote. That can tell you whether there's actual buildup that needs to be removed or if your current routine is doing the job. And if you want to learn more about how the process works, check out the other videos in our services playlist.